We've talked about the incredible power of the AI factory, but power without ethics is a disaster waiting to happen. At digital scale, a small error or a tiny bias in an algorithm doesn't just affect one person, it amplifies and hits millions of people in milliseconds. Algorithms aren't neutral. They are mirrors of our own history, including our worst prejudices and systemic biases. If your training data is biased, your AI will be too. From hiring to insurance, the machine can automate discrimination on a global scale. Then there is the black box problem. We are letting machines make life-altering decisions that we can't even explain. When an AI denies a loan or a medical treatment, the computer said so is no longer an acceptable answer. We are losing accountability. In 2025, we face a new danger, the death of truth. Deepfakes and synthetic media are blurring the line between real and fake. When everything can be faked, trust becomes the most expensive commodity in the world. We are losing our shared reality. We also risk the dead internet, a world where AI-generated content is consumed by other AI agents, creating a loop of noise. If we don't protect human creativity, the AI factory will eventually run out of original fuel and start eating its own hallucinations. The dark side is real, but it's not the end of the story. We just need a new kind of wisdom. Next time, the new meta. See you in the next chapter.